Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo Hot Shoe Adapter. The Kupo Hot Shoe Adapter consists of a locking adjustable shoe on top and a 1/4-20 female thread on the bottom. It allows you to mount any device or accessory with a hot shoe onto any light stand or adapter with a 1/4-20 male thread. Let's rig this Photix flash on this table. First, we'll mount our convi clamp to the table by turning the adjustable handle clockwise until the jaw is clamped securely in place. Mount the max arm by inserting the stud with the 1/4-20 female thread into the clamp's baby receiver while depressing the silver button. Now tighten the set screw until snug. Screw the 1/4-20 male thread of the 3/16 to 1/4-20 adapter into the bottom of the hot shoe adapter. Now screw the 3/16 male thread of the 3/16 male to 1/4-20 adapter into the 3/16 female thread into the end of the baby stud into the max arm. Lastly, mount the Photix Metros Plus into the hot shoe adapter using the set screw until snug. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.